Hani, welcome. Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
So I'm a researcher from the Hague University of Applied Sciences. I work at the Data Science Research Group, which has also gotten the UNESCO Chair of AI and Data Science for Society for the European Union. So we actually represent the European Union in this field.
Okay, and can you tell us a bit about your work?
So we do we do research about data science in different fields, focusing mainly on education and healthcare. And in this conference, I was presenting a little bit about our work in the field of education.
Okay, can you tell us a bit about your presentation, of course? We'd love to hear what you presented.
So I presented a project that we did about using ChatGPT in order to grade open question exams. Of course, you know that multiple choice exams are easily graded by machines, but open questions are still a challenge, and even for human graders, it takes a long time.
Of course.
So we are trying to automate this with the use of generative AI, and our work has shown that we can reach an accuracy of 80% with just using untrained large language models.
Okay. And how's that compared to human grading? Is that around better than 80% or lower, equal?
Well, so there is always some variability between human graders.
Of course.
And so you can never reach 100% of overlap between all humans. So in that sense, also the target is not that high. And we try to get the AI to be as accurate as humans in order to try to shift off the workload of human educators, and human educators can step back and have more of a supervising role of how the education process goes.
And what is still needed to get the AI there?
So we need to improve how the machines understand the natural language, and also to have more specialized knowledge about specific courses that now we have more specialized educators that are teaching it. We're also working on having an adaptive learning platform that can actually kind of automate the education process and have it personalized, so you have a machine that is adapting to your level of knowledge and also to your background, so that it teaches each student in the way that he or she prefers to be taught.
Okay, well, that sounds promising for students, but how long will it take before we see something like that on the market?
So at the Hague University, we already implemented the first prototype.
Oh, that's good.
Actually, we are already on version 3 of the prototype.
Wow.
So it is already working. It uses the GPT API, so from OpenAI, but because we're using the API, we can actually not share the data from our students, so we keep it private.
Okay, yeah.
So it's already functioning. The next step is to start testing it small scale with some students, to see how well this personalized education can be.
Okay, and will you present those findings as well when you have them?
Well, of course, we are a University of Applied Sciences, but we're also more and more focused on research, and we will always share the findings that we have. The policy is to have everything open access and available for also other researchers to use it in their work.
Okay. Hani, how's the conference been so far?
Well, it was fascinating. There's a lot of people with interesting talks, so listening to the talks was very interesting, and also getting some connections was very good. I already have a few contacts that we are already planning on collaborating on some funding proposals for mutual research. Yes.
Okay. Did you take the bus tour as well?
Oh, of course. Yeah, that was really nice. It was yesterday through the city of Berlin, and we went also on a boat tour through the water channels with a tour guide. So it was really fascinating to see, to have a tour around the city and see the features.
Excellent. Is there anything you're still looking forward to in this conference?
Well, I'm looking for the award ceremony. Who is going to win?
You have high expectations.
Well, you know, it's work from our students, so they really put great efforts into it. They couldn't make it to the conference, unfortunately, but it would be really nice to bring a prize home to encourage also other students and inspire them to do some applied research.
Okay, well, good luck with that and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.